Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the minimum materials, 15 wood and 3 silk, or an alternative bed item if available. This is faster in early game. Once done, make a workbench and stand beside it so the crafting grid updates. This lets the game display the bed recipe. You should open the inventory and check the recipe pane. If the bed appears, you're ready. Make sure to carry extra wood so you can craft immediately without returning to base. Now you assemble the bed itself. Stay within the workbench crafting range and select the bed recipe in your inventory. Click Craft to convert wood and silk into a functional bed. You'll see it appear in your inventory slot. Once crafted, drag the bed into your hotbar so you can place it quickly. This step matters because beds must be placed to set spawn. Placing from the hotbar prevents accidental drops or misplacement during exploration. Finish by placing the bed inside a valid house. Make sure the room meets lighting, wall, and furniture requirements like a chair or table. This ensures the bed can be used. Once placed, right-click the bed to set your spawn point and look for the confirmation message. If the spawn doesn't set, check for invalid walls, missing furniture, or nearby block tiles. Remove obstructing objects and try again. This troubleshooting tip fixes most placement failures and gets you back to play quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.